Not everyone can afford big bucks on the best product on the market, so in today's video, we will show you some of the best budget options in the business, which you will be satisfied with. Head over to the description to know the latest pricing and the information of our featured products. Breville Handy HM-800CL. The Breville was the only hand mixer that we tried that could cream butter and sugar in a reasonable amount of time. It was also the quietest machine. Its 240-watt motor is designed for near-silent operation at both high and low speeds. Another nice feature is the Breville Handy Mix Scraper beaters are coated in rubber, so they don't make a clanging sound when they hit the sides of the bowl. The Breville also came with the most attachments: regular beaters, 2 different whisks, and a dough hook. The machine has a plastic storage container that attaches to the body of the mixer for storing the extra attachments. A huge bonus because lots of mixers come with small accessories that are easy to lose. It even has a light that automatically turns on when you mix, illuminating your mixing bowl as you work, a largely unnecessary feature that was, if nothing else, amusing. The Breville has 9 speeds, all noticeably different from one another. It mixes at both low and high speeds effectively. Changing speed is easy thanks to a scrollable thumb wheel. The mixer remains steady at high speeds and doesn't drag your hand around the bowl. It even has the ability to sense the specific attachment you're using and calibrates its speed settings to fit the specific task. The Breville is on the heavy side. It weighs 4 pounds, and holding it up can be a little tiring after extended use. However, the body of the machine rests against the edge of a standard mixing bowl easily, effectively relieving that burden. Hamilton Beach. The Hamilton Beach electronic hand mixer is your luxury choice whether you're searching for the perfect hand blender you've ever made. The key strength of this approach is the balance of the bowl and the snap-on storage cover. Standing together, it means there are no drips or leaks that will cause the counters to be messy. The model runs at several variable speeds and can manage flexible modifications that are ideal for many different types of mixture processing. As far as storage and usage are involved, the method is straightforward or illustrated throughout the instruction book that arrives with the kit. Cleanup or repairs are often very simple and would not require any additional time, such as just adopting the route, and it's safe for you to go. As this is the top choice, it's fair to assume that we have yet to notice any potential drawback or demerit towards this design. Braun MultiMix. There's a lot to like about the Braun MultiMix. It's sleek and powerful while still easy to handle, and its precise speed controls and intuitive handling make it a pleasure to use. Though it doesn't have the extra pizzazz of the Breville like the coated scraper beaters or the built-in timer, the Braun MultiMix is a superbly designed hand mixer. The Braun could easily handle stiff cookie dough without exhausting the tester's arm strength or the Braun's motor. That's partially due to the mixer's design. The weight of the motor is positioned directly above the beaters so that the weight is distributed into the bowl and not your hand. The rotating speed control dial allows for precise adjustments with a tweak of the thumb, making it easy to engage a slow start and avoid accidental splattering. While there's no balloon whisk attachment as there is with the Breville, the multi-whisk beater attachment does a fine job at creaming butter and frothing up egg whites. And for heavy-duty kneading jobs, the set also includes a pair of dough hooks. All of the accessories snap in easily and eject with a push of a button. Cuisinart HM-90S. The mixer fits comfortably into the grips of your hand, and although the power buttons might be slightly too high up to reaches for some people's thumbs, the speed control buttons are at thumb levels. The mixer's speed automatically resets at level 1 each time it's turned off, and there's a bit of a surge before it adjusts to the actual speed levels. Once we got used to that, it didn't present a problem. We simply waited a second before lowering the beaters into the bowl. Maneuverability is excellent, thanks to the mixer's lightweight and a swivel basis for the electric cord, so you can even move around the mixing bowl without the cords getting in your way. The Cuisinart has the usual attachments, but the beaters are longer and wider than those of other mixer we have seen, which gave us great coverages in the mixing bowl when blending the cake batter. As with most of the mixer, a snap-on storage cases for the attachments is a welcome addition. The Cuisinart is still expensive for a hand mixer, but it's very well made and sure to last. It comes with a 3-year warranty, which is remarkable for a kitchen appliance, and any replacement parts are readily available and not expensive. Oster HeatSoft. The Oster HeatSoft hand mixer has one of the smarter design in our lineups of the best hand mixers, thanks to its heated technologies. Gone are the days of waiting for your butter to reach room temperatures with this baking gadget, which also has great mixing power. Recognizing an issue that home bakers come across far too often, this mixer's warms butter has you mix it to bring it to the right temperature for incorporations by blowing warm air into the bowl as you mix. The result? And fluffier cakes and cookies without the hassle. It has 7-speed and a burst of power buttons, as well as a button to activate and disables the heated features. This hand mixer has an easily stored cases that contains all the attachment and snaps securely shut. It also includes an whisk attachment, which is perfect for whipping cream and finer mixtures. The heat function can be turned on and off if you're making whipped cream or creamy mashed potatoes. KitchenAid KHMB732. If the words cordless hand mixer makes your eyes light up, this is the models to get. It is easy to use anywhere and can also handle standards baking tasks without an issue. Just keep in mind that you are paying for design conveniences, not versatility. The KitchenAid 7-speed cordless hand mixers untethers you from your outlet, so you can bake wherever there's more elbow room in your kitchens. This device is designed with a lithium-ion battery that fully recharges in under 2 hours, and its handy powers indicator lets you know its current level so you're never caught mid-mix. You can still use the device in a pinch while it's attached to its charging cord. This hand mixer is lightweight and equipped with 7-speed, along with a genius soft start features that power up the device slowly so that you don't splatter your batters everywhere. It also comes in a ranges of fun colors. The cordless designs is its key selling point. It doesn't come with any attachments besides the 2 beaters, and users say it's not the quietest device. Its straight handles may also be tricky for those with limited wrist mobility to use. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon and get notified of our new videos.